Sorry. Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, here we go. We are gonna revise we have gone through actually fractions and whatnot, so we are ready for just some practice for the mid-year for the CA1. Okay?
I'm nearly done with fractions.
You're nearly done fractions as well. Okay, but we have done fractions, right? We are already completed fractions. So I'm going to revise whole numbers and fractions. Okay. Riaz, are you in? Riaz, you are, right? Are you there, Riaz? Riaz, yeah. Oh, Riaz is there. Okay. Okay, this is from River Valley, but you won't do only those that I have indicated with a tick, okay? So we try now. No using calculator. This is divide, okay? Number 2 is divide. This one, is divide. Show your answers. Just a moment. Just a moment. Okay, Kashril, and let me see this number 1. Okay, Kashril number 1, well done. Hua number 1, well done. Raidi, hold on, Raidi. Riaz number 1, well done. Shalina number 1, well done. And number 2, okay, I think all of you got it correct. Hilwa, well done. Raidi, well done. Okay. So number 1 answers 1, Hilwa, well done. Who else? Kashril also well done. So you have no problems with question 1, question 2, but I think not all of you have handed in us. So I'm just going to run through the answers. Nearest 1,000, you underline the thousands place. Look at the digit here. If this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, add 1. So you have to add 1, right? So it becomes 855. 854, you add 1, you got 855,000. Down here, 3/4. I'm just reminding, times 7/6. Divide by 3, you get 2. Divide by 3, you get 1. 1 times 7, 7/8, right? 4 times 2, 8. Okay, well done. Yes, number 2 is not 1. You put number 2, answer is 1. You just put number 2, 1. Number 2, 2, okay.
I accidentally put the wrong number.
Okay. All right, we move on to the next one. So far, quite okay, quite okay. Later, I'll share with you something that you must know about the world. So I just share some. I have gone through parts of it, but this time I'll go through in a fuller way. So notice I'm skipping all the questions that I don't think we are revising. And here. A little bit tough, but you can do this. Number 14, please. Number 14. Think through carefully, okay? You need to write it down on the paper to do this. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. You have to do this type questions. Otherwise, the tuition is just too simple stuff. Now your simple stuff, you're okay already. Ken, Shalina, come try. Don't give up. Come on. Where is Shafia? Shafia is not here. Naomi is not here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This might be correct.
Okay, let's see. Your answer, can you show me your working? How you get that? The answer is wrong. But the moment I say wrong, you might cacakuti. I don't want you cacakuti. I want you to try because cacakuti means ini, mini, miny, mo. Righty, you have given the same answer, both wrong. Both answers wrong. Okay, I'll just tell you right or wrong, but don't try the thing lah. Don't try to do a working list. You must first understand the. Okay, so now I do not know whether Righty is guessing or Righty. Can you send me your working? Say I didn't do any working.
That's true.
So if you're not doing any working, then no use going through the answer. I need to go through the working shortly. You think through. Okay, those who are having difficulty understanding, or you might have a fear or phobia of chromosomes, you can go through one by one. There are boys and girls. There's equal number wearing spectacles. Not wearing spectacles, not equal. So you can draw. You can draw model. I will help you draw model. For those who are able to do it, you continue what you're doing. So now this is let's say the girls. Okay. And then we know for half of the girls, half there, half of them, they don't wear spectacles, which means the other half wear spectacles. So I can say now Riley give another answer. So down here again, watch. Half of the girls, these girls, wear spectacles, half don't wear. They tell you same number of boys wear spectacles. So I take this as wear lah. That means same number of boys down here wear spectacles. If you can complete the model on your paper, you know how to do. 4, 7 don't wear. How many 7 wear? How many 7 wear spectacles of the boys? Total is 7, 7. 4, 7 don't wear. How many 7 must wear? Do you get what I'm saying?
Can you see?
You cannot see. I saw your latest answer. This answer is still not correct. But never mind. Don't worry about correct or not correct. But can you read this part? You see, equal number of boys and girls wear spectacles. Half of the girls wear spectacles, means half don't wear. So I divide the model into 2. So now this one is wear. So wear means must be the same. The boys also wear same. How many boys wear spectacles? 4, 7 don't wear. So 3, 7 must wear. What? Once you can do this, you know how to do already. So this other half is also 3 parts. And then you must have a 7 part. Look again. 3 out of 7 boys wear spectacles. How do we know? Because 4, 7 don't wear. Now the whole is 7 out of 7. You minus don't wear, you get 3, 7, which is boys who wear 3 units. But this 3 units is equals to half or 1 unit of the girls. So 1 unit of the girls is equals to 3. Oh, 1 unit is equals to 3. Then I can cut like that. I can cut like that also. So altogether, how many units we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 units, right? Now they ask you, what fraction of the children? Of the children means everyone. There's 13 in total. Wear spectacles. Well, this one is wear spectacles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 13. And then some of you say, I already put the number 3, but you don't know how to do. You must know how to do. This is one way of doing it. Is it okay now? You all need more practice for this time? Need more practice, huh? Okay, then I have to create this one. Another question later on, maybe today or not, I give you as homework lah. Okay, but I leave it to
So
you. Yeah, got no time for homework.
I got the answer correct, but then you say I was wrong.
Yeah, because you put number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So
No, I
one of
put
them is
two and then three. No, I put
you
two and
put
then three
2,
and then
3,
four and then
1,
one.
1.
Yeah,
Yeah. So you put everything lah. So that means you do
yes.
not know. After putting the right one, you can put the wrong one, means you don't know lah. So if you don't know, that means I'm not going to tell you whether you're right or wrong. Okay, never mind. The main point here is you must be able to do this type. So now the basic skills, I think you all more or less know how to do, right? Hey, please lah, who is that? Who is that humming? Come on, the basic skills you know how to do already. You have to go beyond the basic skills, thinking skills. So let us try. Let us try the next one. This one is all number 16, please. This is simple. This one is basic skills, not problem sums yet. Can you try this, please? Question 16. Well done, Raidi. Very fast, very fast. Raidi, very fast. So, Raidi, you got no problem with the basic skills. Now with problem sums. Kashril, you got to check. You're going to flip the wrong one, Kashril. Don't flip the left one. Well done, Riaz. Kashril, you're going to flip the left. Flip the right. Come on, what the rest? Hilwa, you can bring it to lowest term, simplest form, you are. Simplest form. Kashril, like that, no, Kashril. Don't do too fast, divide by 15/1. Now. Come on. What about the rest?
Cancel.
Use calculator.
No, I see you can cancel. What?
You must flip the right hand side, not left side. Well done, Shalina. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Well done, Hilwa. 1 times 1, 1. 5 times 5, 25. Okay, what you did was you go and flip this side. Please don't flip the wrong side. Okay, you move on. So 1/25. Can you try express as decimal? If you do not know how to do this, remember you got to take 3 divide by 8. Can you try to divide long division? See whether you can get it. After a while, you probably memorize. Some of you will memorize the answer. No using calculator. Paper 1, paper 2. Well done, Raidi. Raidi, computational skills very fast. Usna Shafia cannot be the answer because 1 point something means top number is bigger than bottom. This one is top number is smaller than bottom. Okay, well done, Riaz. Come on, we need the rest. Come on. Well done, Kashril. Sorry, I didn't see your name, Kashril. So if you get your answer 1 point something, that means your top number is same or bigger. Cannot be. That means some of you are divide 8 divided by 3, not 3 divided by 8. Come on. Okay, I have to do it now because you all are. Naomi cannot be 1 point something. You are divide. Okay, 3 divided by 8. Can divide not? Cannot put a 0 lah. Then you put a dot. Put a dot here. You can add as many zeros as you want. 30 can divide by 8. Cannot. But a number smaller than 30 can divide by 8. What is that? 24. You get 3. Minus, you get 6. Bring down the 0, 60. 56. Divide by 8, 7. Minus, you get 4. Bring down the 0, 40. 40 divided by 8 is 5. You don't need to complete the working. Never mind. It's already completed already. Well done. Okay, Hilwa, well done. Husna Shafia, you still not 375 right down here. 0.375. Please have a look. Okay, we move on to the next one now. You know what school this is now? River Valley. You know what school? No? Don't know. I just share with you. River Valley, you do not know? Okay.
I know. If you go toilet there, you die.
Wow. Okay, aduh, very bad. Okay, I mean, this is where the stabbing incident took place in River Valley. So if you want to, if you can check, actually you can check. But I do not know it means you go toilet. I don't think so lah. It's like this River Valley, but it's a very good school, you know. River Valley, you have a murder down here. a murder that took place. Okay, teen accused of murder at River Valley High School. The primary and high school
No,
are
no.
together. Yeah.
What it is?
What? Sorry. Yeah, this is what happened. So this is the X that was with the blood. Oh, no, this one is not real. This is fake. This is the school, but their school is a very, very good school. Again, I repeat, very, very good school. It's the elite school. You know what's elite school? Those scoring high scores goes to this school. So how could this have happened? No, this boy was really not okay. He waited inside the toilet with an axe, First one to come in, he killed. Can you imagine? Poor thing. So, but so this is from River Valley. Cool. Alamak, I don't say cool, please. Hello. Hey, I think if I say okay, someone with a recording of this says, hey, yeah, tutor say cool. Then next thing, I got to spend time counseling, being counseled. Do you know it's wrong for you to? Okay, never mind. We try 26. Do you know it's wrong for you to influence your children? I say yes, but Raidi or something was the one who said that.
It wasn't me.
Okay, wasn't you? Okay, come, let's try. Aliet, okay, again, problem sums, please, please. Draw your model.
You didn't think.
I tried to think, you cannot. You see, you saw the color coming out, right? It disappeared.
Huh?
Okay, let me try. Okay, now. Please draw the model. I should draw it. I will draw it. Come. Okay, mute yourself lah. There's sounds all we can hear. What sound is that? No using calculator for this one.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it.
Don't say that. Who was the one say that? Ready? You
Yeah.
give up so fast, ready? For a person who can get the answer so far, why you give up so fast? Have you ever played soccer? You play soccer now?
Yeah, I do.
Then when your team is losing, do you give up? No, right? You keep fighting, what? You will keep fighting. Do the same thing now. Okay, let's see. Ria says $39. Cannot be 39. Yeah. Or 439 or 39? Yes. 439.
39.
You see, how much you have at end? 39. But Nathan received $48. After receiving 48, how can he have $39? Can you see now? Imagine. I ask you now, I'm going to give you $100. Yes. I give you $100. Now I say, how much money you have at end? I only got $50. Huh? I just give you $100. I got $50. So you're not reading the question carefully. Come on. Try. Kashfil cannot be $42. Again, Nathan received $48 from his mother. Now he got $42. How come this one? This one River Valley mystery lah. No one River Valley mystery lah. Come on. Try. Draw the model.
Oh, I understand.
$18 cannot lah. Hilwa, you see, you read not. Nathan received $48 from his mother. Now they ask you how much money did Nathan have at the end? You say $18. Tak boleh lah. He received $48. He got more than $48 because at first he got money. Raidi, come on, Raidi, you give up already, Raidi. Why you give up?
No, I said I got it.
Oh, you got it. I saw you doing it. Oh, crying. I will draw a model, okay, in a moment. But waiting.
No, chill, my eye pain.
Okay, eye pain, Come on. Don't be like that.
Sure, can I go take
Okay,
photo?
take it. Maybe your answer is right, Kashfil. At least it's more than 48. I don't understand, Naomi. Okay, no problem. Okay, let us draw. Who got more money? Let us read first. We know that one person got more money than the other. Ali got 3 times as much as Nathan, Or if you don't like to call him Nathan, you call him Nadan. Nadan is Indian version of Nathan. So down here now, can we say now, is this possible like that? Yeah, this is possible, right? What do you mean possible, right? Down here, you see, Ali got 3 times as Nathan. This is Ali. Okay, I write A for Ali. A for Ali. And then Nathan got 1. Anyone don't understand this step? Anyone don't understand? Understand, right? How's now, Shafia? Focus lah, Shafia. I can see the back of your head as now. Now down here now means you understand this one. Good. First step already we understand. Ali spent $30. So let's say down here is $30. Let's say I cut down here. Down here is $30. Let's say. Okay. And then he's left this amount here. Okay. And then Nathan get $48 from the mother. Now both of them got the same amount. So Nathan must get 48. This must be 48 lah. Oh, you get it or not? So that means what? How much money you got in the end? Well, first of all, 2 units is equals to how much? You can find out what? If you draw properly, you can find out. 2 units equals to 48 plus 30. 78 is for 2 units. 1 unit, 78 divided by 2. So this is your number sentence. 78 divided by 2. What do you get? 39. So I think someone said 39. Just now, Riaz, you said 39. 39 is for 1 unit, Riaz. Down here 39. Down here 39. Down here 39 also. So how much did Nathan have at the end? 39 plus 48, because the mother gave $48. But what I don't understand is how come some of you can say the answer is less than 48? You know the mother gave $48. How can your answer be less than 48? Not logical. So the answer is $87. You all get it or not? This one get it or not? If you get it, I will write another question like this. All those that you understand problem sums, you try to do again. But you have to believe in yourself. Some of you, you see problem sums, you know what to do? Switch off brain. Don't do that. You see, you must be willing to fight this mentally. Believe, Allah made you to be very intelligent. You can do this. But you have to read step by step. Ali had 3 times as much money as Nathan. You draw 3 units, draw 1 unit. And then Ali spends some money. Okay. Nathan receives some money. Now they have equal. So this is the equal point. Okay. All right. I hope you're okay. Okay. Not? Riaz, okay. Not? Riaz, you understand? Shafia, you understand? I do not know whether normally when I ask students, do you understand? Everyone will say yes.
Done.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay. In fact, I asked teachers before. Teachers also say they understand, but actually they don't understand.
No, I don't understand, Joe.
You don't understand? Now how you get 87?
Yeah. I don't know.
That means you must watch the thing again lah. Okay, here we go. Now we are going to another school. Okay, this is what school is this? It's Nanyang Primary School.
Okay, I'm out. Bye.
Bye bye.
We beat this school to in apa tu? No, not soccer. Takraw game.
Takraw game, yes. Takraw.
Easy sih.
Do you play in the game?
Yeah, I did. I was the one in the front. Header.
Header, wow. And I heard takraw might one day become part of the Olympic Games. Let's hope so. Maybe we
but in school, in my school, they already removed because of how less people join.
Oh, you're putting, Try to join in secondary school then. Okay, we try this one now. You try question number 2. This one again is not as difficult as problem sums, so you must be able to do it. And here we go.
Done.
Wow, I'm just looking for the answer key. Let's see whether it's right. Okay, Raidi and Kasha's answers are different. Let us see. Why did you change answer?
Yeah, it's kind of wrong. My one's wrong.
Okay, so all tricky. And the answer for all of you have submitted so far correct. Congratulations. Let us wait for the rest, but let me see whether can I minimize this for you to do. Yeah, okay. If you can, you try to do the next one. Can you see? While we are waiting for this side. Aduh, even start now.
Is my answer correct? Correct, right?
Yes, your answer is correct just now. You are the first one to give the right answer. Congratulations. Look, they be happy lah. Macam very sad. Why you sad? Let's see, Riaz. Riaz has given the.
Wait, answer. Wait.
Okay, this one you must give the full answer. Well done, Miss Helwa. What about the other girls? Shafia, what about you? What about Yumi? What about Sherlina? What, what about the rest? Let not my last breath be trying to.
You know to do what question?
We are doing C, number three long here. This one. Righty, okay, righty, and sorry, sorry. Okay, possibly yes. Well done to the guys. Who have,
Don't ask how we do it.
okay, sorry. I'll go through this very quickly. Yeah, if anyone has problems with this, first thing what you do, you imagine there is no zero here. Okay, imagine there's no zero. 48 divided by 3. Say, I do not know. Okay, you try to find out now. Okay, your answer will be 16. Right? 16. Don't forget, at first there were zeros, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So you put back the zero. Put back, after you divide, you put back the zero. 1 0 2 0. So 16 times what equals to 2 zeros? Very simple. 1 0 0 with 2 zeros. So the answer is 100. Yes, please. You need to go. Now you may carry on. So it's 100 for this one, number 30. Okay, we go to the next one now. The next one. And those who have done number 3, you can do number 4. Those who have done number 30, you can do number 4. Hilwa, congratulations. Kashra, congratulations. Raidi, congratulations for number 30. And of course, Riaz came in first. Congratulations. Righty, let's see now. Number 4.
Number 4 is hard to see, but then I can just, you know.
Okay, yes, but I think, yeah, most probably you're correct.
I am.
Very confident boy, very good. Okay, I think, yeah, those of you who have, submitted your answers mostly correct, but maybe can you check with their answer key? Maybe they're giving it lowest terms or something. So your answer, Riaz and Raidi, is not found in the question. Can you change your answer, please?
6.
Well done, Shalina. Okay, Raidi, wrong. Raidi, too careless. You got the correct answer, wrong answer. How come you can working correct? Answer is wrong. Aku tak tahu lah. Aku ni terlalu. Kashril, congratulate. Also, Kashril also not correct. Ready, come on, your answer is not correct, ready. Try. Shalina can do, Shalina. Shalina, you look very tired. Huh? I'm helping out with all the. Okay, well done, Kashril. Raidi, congratulations. Congratulations. Huh? This is considered, notice the difference between Nanyang and River Valley. River Valley is quite tough, you know. So down here, for those of you doing question number 3, at first you got 9-10 liters. He drank 3-5. Why don't we change it times 2 times 2? You get 6/10. You'll get, hey, who is that? Hey, if you're gonna talk. I know this guy. Okay. 9 minus 6, you get 30. All right. 3/10. That is the answer. 3/10 liters. Answer is number 4. Now this next one is easier. So let us see. Anyone else for this answer?
Look at him.
Hey, don't distract the class. We are focusing on this one. Your exam this year. Come. Okay, this one is quite easy because you can plus one. You get 8/12. Okay, so you can do it that way. But I'm going to change the question in a moment and give you a tough one. 8/12, right? But remember to divide by 4, divide by 4, you get 2/3. I'm going to change the question. So if you do not know the method, you won't be able to do. Okay, here we go. I'm changing the question now. But I leave the first one. Okay. Ready? This is 1/4. Let's say this one is 3/4. What is this answer here? Hold on now. Oh. No, sorry. 3/4 here. Otherwise, too tough for you. Huh?
Go toilet.
Yeah, go toilet now. Go. Everyone wants to go toilet during the lesson. Why?
Huh?
No, carry on. Go.
Huh?
Go. Okay, this one don't see this one. Can you get the answer? Hey, please mute yourself lah, you guys. Okay. So sorry, that's not the right answer, Miss Hilwa. I'll write down the steps for you guys if you have forgotten. Allah Akbar. Ini bukan salah. I don't know whether you remember the steps. Ready? Can do that. Ready?
Yeah, wait, just give me a second.
Okay.
Yep.
Mr. Shahid,
Yeah.
can I take correction tip?
Yeah. Take. Remember, this skill you need even in secondary school. In 1 minute, I will explain. And no one can do it.
Wait.
Okay. Wait for you. Hilwa, try again, Hilwa. I don't know how to do. Shalina, come, Shalina. You seem to be smiling all the time. I hope you're not alone smiling to yourself. And sometimes we have a lot more Singaporeans like that. Husna, Shafia can do that. Okay, I'll show you the method on the board. You try on your own again down here. I'll show you something that you can. Okay, you try this on the board. This one you need to know lah. Okay. Let's say we have. This one's 22. This one's 40. Step 1, count the number of parts. 1, 2, 3 parts. 3 parts is equals to how much? Bigger number minus smaller number. 40 minus 22. 40 minus 22, 18. 3 parts equals to 18. Find one part. One part is 18 divided by 3 is 6. So plus 6, 28. Plus 6, 34. Plus 6, 40. Plus 6, 46. Do the same thing for fractions. So now I'm going to change it to fractions. Okay, same thing. Let's say now down here. This one is 1/3. Let's say 3/4 here. Example. Count the number of parts between the two numbers. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. What are the 3 parts equals to? 3/4 minus 1/3. 3/4 minus 1/3 lah. I'm gonna find out lah now. Okay. 12 times 3 times 4 times 4 times 3. You get 6 minus 4, which is 2. 2 over 12. Okay, 2 over 12 is 1 over 6. I divide by 2, divide by 2 is 1 over 6. So this is 1 over 6. I want to find one part. One part is 1 over 6 divided by 3 equals to 1 over 6 times 1 over 3 equals to 1 over 18. 6 times 3, 18. So you change all this to, it cannot be 18. Cannot be 18. Sekejap. This is 2 over 12 times 4 times 3 times 3. Oh, sorry, this is times 3, not times 2. 9, sorry, I made a wrong mistake. 9 minus 4, 5 over 12. So 5 over 12 must divide by 3 parts is 5 over 12. For one part, 5 over 12 divided by 3, which is equals to times 1 over 3. Remember, I do the flip. So what do you get now? You get 5 over 36, you know. So you must plus 5 over 36, plus 5, and then you will get the answer. Okay, but this question not as tough as this one on the board, but it's the same pattern. Okay, so remember the steps down here. Remember, I said this is, okay, I just mark it. This one is not here. This one is 3/4. This one is 1/4, right? So you count the number of parts. How many parts are there? We do together lah. We do together. I can draw like that to see the number of parts. Can you see now? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Don't count 7. Somebody count 1 down here. No, don't start. It's the parts. 6 parts. What is 6 parts equals to? 6 parts is equals to bigger number minus smaller number. 3/4 minus 1/4 is 2/4 lah. Half. 3/4 minus 1/4. What do you get? You get 2 over 4. What is 2 over 4 equal to? You divide by 2, divide by 2 is 1 over 2. Oh, 6 parts is 1 over 2. Okay. What is 1 part? Oh, 6 parts is 1 over 2. Hold on. 1 over 2. Okay. What is 1 part? 1 part is 1 over 2 divided by 6. Okay, 1 over 2 divided by 6. Why is the thing following me? So 1 part, 1 over 2 divide by 6. Divide by 6 over 1. Allahu Akbar. Why can't this thing working, tak working? Then you change to 1 over 2 times 1 over 6. So what do you get? You get 12, 1 over 12. Each part is 1 over 12. Let me just write it now properly. Okay, down here, you get 1 over 2 times 1 over 6. So 1 times 1, 1. 6 times 2, 12. So down here, you can change it to 12. Times 3 is 12, right? If you don't believe, you can see this. Hold on. Let me just see what happened. Okay, down here, watch this. You can see this is over 12, 3 over 12. So you plus 4 over 12, 5 over 12, 6 over 12, 7 over 12, 8 over 12, 9 over 12. 9 over 12 is 3/4, correct? So this one's 8 over 12. 8 over 12, you reduce, you get 2/3 also. So you must remember whatever you use for whole numbers, you use for fractions also. Okay, never mind. We'll try this another time again. You all look a little bit blur lah. Okay, you try this one now. Don't be blur lah. Don't be blur. Believe in yourself. Someone send me a message. Yeah, go, keluar. I can't hear anything. Can you hear me? Not? Can, right? Who's I can't hear me?
Yeah.
Hey, Riaz, can you hear me now? No, Riaz. Can you hear? Hey, don't give me a shock, lah, Riaz. Okay, you try this one. Believe and try. Believe and try. Easy lah.
Done.
Okay,
Also not done.
but you have not sent your answer.
Wait. What you mean? Wait.
Go on, huh? Let me just double check.
Is
Your answer is
it correct? Is it correct?
she gave away 1/4, no? 1/3, you know. So your answer is all wrong, no? Then.
Oh.
Shalina also wrong. What did you find the balance? I think you find the balance. Also, why everyone is saying number 3? Very simple one, son. Yes, Riaz, congratulations. Is it simple now, Riaz? One step, right? One step method. She gave away 1/4 of it, of 1/4 of 5/8. Just times it. That's it. That's what she gave away. Of means times. Of down here means times. So we change to times now. It is what? You say it is the movie I saw very scary. No, we're not talking about that scary movie It. Now you have 5/8. So you try and find out what is it. Yes, Shalina. Yes, Kashril. Yes, Raidi. So now you get it. 1/3 times 5/8. Maybe you went to do 2 steps now. Okay, so it's 5/24. Finish down here. Okay, we move on to the next one. But kg,
Kira Gianna.
Hey, please lah. Can you mute yourself? All right, here. Let's do the next one now. Very easy also. Congratulations, Riaz. Congratulations, Hilwa. Congratulations, Raidi.
Sorry, sir. I did not meant to put the other one.
It's okay. Congratulations, Raidi. Congratulations, Kashril. Okay, the rest, I hope you are getting it. Now, what's your clue? Your clue word is pot equally, means divide lah. Once you pot equally means divide already, confirm. Into what? 8. So divide by 8. What divide by 8? This susu lah, susu. You know susu? Susu 4/5 divided by 8. Say, I don't know what susu lah. Okay, never mind. You don't know, you got to ask your parents what susu is. Change 8/1 to 1/8. And then don't just times it out. Reduce it first. Divide by 4. You get 2. Divide by 4. You get 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2, 10. So you got this now. All right, easy, but they have.
For those who don't know what susu is, it's confirmed not milk.
Then what is it? If it's not milk,
It's milk.
Orange juice.
Yeah,
Orange
it's
juice.
orange juice. Yeah.
Orange juice. This one. Hey, boys and girls, you don't know this. Shame on you. No, you're using toothbrushes every day. This one, everyone got to put in the answer.
It's
Don't say the answer, okay? Even though you know the answer is number 1, don't say it. Riaz, congratulations. You know your toothbrush. Raidi, congratulations. What about the rest? Come on, take a risk. Naomi, too light.
It's kg.
Naomi, try again. Naomi, try again. That one is the weight of a tai idong. Don't. Tai idong weight like that. Hilwa, well done. Yes.
If you carry your toothbrush, you feel how heavy it is. If it's like more heavier than you, then that means you can't even brush your teeth with it. And if
Aiyo.
it's like 3
Okay, well done. Well done, Naomi. Hey, come on, the rest. I need the rest to send in answer. Shelina, I want everyone. This one is guess lah. You have to guess. You don't know, you have to guess. Kashril, cannot lah, too light lah. They want tai idong. Tai idong is that weight. You know tai idong,
It's
huh?
kg.
Huh? It's legit, legit tai idong, huh? You ask is
It's kg. It's kg.
kg, ah? Not kg. No, no way. That is the weight of a baby. Come on. Takkan your my toothbrush very heavy lah, made of I don't know what metal. Cannot. Kashril,
No,
next one, try.
It's made out of metal.
Okay, this one is surely out. Those who did not take a risk, that means you're too scared to jump over the drain. If you're too scared to jump over the drain, how you gonna take
How
it?
about the latest one?
Okay, this one now, yes, well done, correct. This is the weight, your weight. Some of your weight is 31 kg. So don't tell me
It's heavier than me.
heavier than me. Okay, so this can't be the weight. This is the weight of a baby, newly born baby, sometimes like that. Or this considered heavy for some of them. This is a baby's weight. Okay. This one is the correct answer. This is the weight of tai idong. You don't believe? Take a couple of tai idong, put. You can try it. Put it in your roti. Put roti on the weighing scale. Then put some tai idong and then minus the weight. See whether it's correct or not. By the way, what's the taste of tai idong? See, Naomi is eating it.
It
Huh?
tastes like
Is it sweet?
metal.
Metal? Allah
A little bit
Akbar.
like metal. Like blood, the taste.
Blood. Okay. You know that your nose and your throat are connected. Right? When you have phlegm, it is salty, right? Salty, right?
Yeah.
So it should be salty. Your ingos is salty lah. You all do not know,
It's like rainwater or your tears.
Yeah. You know, when I was my son is older than you all. You know what happened? Did I tell you what happened to my son? No. Okay, I tell you now what happened to my son. My eldest son, now he's 24 or something. When he was a toddler,
You're 51.
yeah, 51. He had ingos in his nose, you know. Then I told him, okay, Isha, blow your nose, blow. And then he did. And the nose had to sumbat. So as a loving father, what do you think I did? You use the what is that to suck it out? It doesn't work so much. What do you do?
You
Yeah.
suck your son.
Yes. I put my mouth over his nose and it went into my mouth, and I can tell you it's salty. After that, but I felt sick after that. Why? Because you have germs there, bacteria there. If you don't believe, do it to your loved ones. Okay, you can do it to your parents. If your parents, if I I'm lele, just Abba, Mami, I love you very much. But don't be surprised, you might have some solid bits in it. Anyway, here we go.
But blood tastes like metal.
Blood tastes metal.
Because I tasted blood accidentally once. I was just curious.
Oh, for me, I taste blood often because sometimes my teeth bleed. I can't, it's a very unique taste.
Well, usually I have nosebleed and then it goes into my mouth.
It goes into your mouth.
But sure, blood tastes like.
Blood tastes like?
Never mind, nothing.
Blood tastes like kencing. No. There was this case of this story I read last time. But never mind, we try this one. Again, when you're into fractions, you got to be able to do this. The force is with you. Wow, very fast. Who is this? Kashril. Very fast.
Correct.
According to the answer key, is not correct. We think. Okay, Righty, according to the answer key, your answer is correct. But let's see. Yeah, Righty, your answer is correct. Absolutely. Kashril, you are now in guess mode. Shame on you. Do your work properly, lah. You know, I know that you do guess mode. Because now you got next one, don't do that. Try, believe in yourself. Come on. Just like how you all play games, but play games we always guess. Too lucky. Once you guess more, sometimes you miss all the correct answers.
No, but you see,
it's wrong. Riaz, congratulations. Okay, we wait a little while for the rest. Kashwila, congratulations. But now that's not counted. This is your 4th attempt. You got to try, like, got to try. You want to see how my son looked like? I have a photograph of him down here last time. When Hilwa, no, that is not the correct answer. You got to try. You're not reading the question. You cannot take out a big photo. Okay, you know what's pillowcase, right? Okay, we go one by one. Okay, we go one by one. Those of you having problems, trauma with problems, some come. Mrs. Tay, she got 3 meters of cloth. She wants to sew a pillowcase. What is a pillowcase? Is baju bantal. Baju bantal. You know bantal, pillow? Pillows baju lah. So you want to make 2 pillows baju. 1 pillowcase takes 3.8 meters. So 2 takes how much? You find out times 2 lah. So you must do like that. Yes, must do like this. How much you get? Well, we can reduce, divide by 2, divide by 2. What do you get? 3 times 1, 3 over 4. So you need 3/4 meters. She got 3.8 meters. So 3 meters, she got 3 meters minus 3/4. You want to find what's the balance? I taught you this method before, right? Break it up to 2 and this one 4 over 4. This is actually 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then you minus lah. You will get 2 whole and 1/4. Get it? Again, you go step by step. She wants to make 2 pillowcases. 1 pillowcase is this. You times by 2, you get 3/4 meters. And then you minus. She got 3 meters minus 3/4. You get 2 and 1/4 meters. Okay. Let me just tell you something, because I'm afraid you might get bored. With the earlier class, they were bored. I didn't give them much story. I think this class I better tell a little bit story. You know about 9/11, right? 7/11. You know 7/11. Allah.
Yeah. No, I know 9/11, not 7/11.
7/11 you don't know. Okay. 7/11 I do not know. Maybe I don't know what it means lah. But
I know.
Okay. You say you know 9/11. I'm going to ask you, what is 9/11?
So there was this
No. What does 9/11 mean?
The 11 means 2 building, which is considered as a twin. Yes. Wait. Listen to me. The 11 means the 2 building, and then 9 is the aeroplane that comes and then destroy both 11s. Done.
Okay.
I mean both ones.
Ria says
That's
scrap.
9/11 in under 10 seconds.
Okay, we come. Ria says scrap 8466. What is that?
Something.
Okay. All right. So I explained to you what 9/11 means. You must know what it means, because this affects Muslims all over the world, even in Singapore. When 9/11 happened, I felt, why is the Muslims? 9/11 means September. September is the 9th month. September 11. 11 of September. Which year did this happen? In the year 2001, when you were not born. That's why you don't know. So what happened now? Now Raidi mentioned 2 aeroplanes hit the building collapsed in the US. But did it really collapse? Let us explore this. Are you ready to explore? You must know all this stuff, no? Because at the end of the day, the Muslims are blamed for flying planes into the US. And so let me tell you what are the Twin Towers first. Okay, the Twin Towers, I've shown you this before. Remember not the man who wanted to walk across the Twin Towers? Do you remember? Okay, there's this movie called The Walk. Okay, this is a real photo. Okay, this man is walking between the Twin Towers. This is when the Twin Tower just built. Okay, the Twin Towers. You know what the Twin Towers? Let us look at the Twin Towers. This is another site showing you the Twin Towers. Can you see? One tower, and the person is walking there. So
and they call it the Twin. Oh yeah.
So it's Twin Towers, yeah. So you have also Malaysia got the Twin Towers, but that's a Petronas Twin Towers. So this is the Twin Towers. Can you see now? These 2 buildings, and this is the Twin Towers on fire. When this happened on September 11, 9/11. You see one of the building is gone, right? Can you see now? The building is falling down.
One of the building fell, and then the other building a few minutes later it fell.
But first of all, can you see down here? So when people say this, the Muslims very bad, cause all this. First of all, this is a lie. It's a lie.
Why
Okay. It's false. Okay, I show you. This is now Malaysian Twin Towers. That one is the US Twin Tower. This one, US Twin Tower. So now, let me prove to you, first of all, they say there were 4 planes. Now, if I'm going to show you now, one building collapsed when no plane hit it, what would you say? You think building can just collapse? Huh? Let's say now you are in a flat, right? Suddenly, can collapse, right? Cannot, right? So I show you now. How to
It
type
may
this?
collapse, you know why? Because the bottom might not be suitable enough to carry the whole tower.
Okay, possible, but there must be a reason, an earthquake or something. So down here now, you search for Tower 7. Tower 7 collapse. Now this Tower 7, there was a, okay, you can see this video lah. Okay, I'm gonna show you now the collapse of Tower 7 when nothing hit it. Is it possible for nothing to hit it? Hold up, Hold on. Just hold on. I want you to hear the sound also. Okay, down here. So Tower 7 collapse. There's some news. This lady, newscaster, she was doing the news, and then behind her, the tower collapsed. I think this one. Where is the Tower 7 collapse? Unless they remove it from the internet. Okay, this one is the Tower 7 collapse now.
Oh no, a table.
Okay, this is
It's
this Tower 7. As you can see, there's no planes here.
But that's exactly what investigators believe happened to the 47-story World Trade Center Building 7 on September 11th.
So what happened now? How can a building just collapse like that? But you most probably, if you ask people to talk about the Twin Towers collapse, you ask them about Tower 7. And most of them have not heard of Tower 7 falling. Okay, this, I think it will take too long for me to explain. So we go back with this. I'll continue next lesson, okay? Can? Or at the end of this lesson later. Okay?
But why they
Okay, if you want to see the thing, this is actually, they showed one of the building, the wings cutting through the building. If the wings hit the building, which one will disappear first, the wing or the building?
And then the wing.
The wing, right? Because the wing is quite weak. It's like your hand now. You go and hit against the wall. Your hand will disappear, the wall will disappear. Your hand, right? So, but this time when they showed them, they showed the wing cutting through
Harry Potter.
It cut through the building as if it was like a knife. I need to find that lah, because it was actually done on editing, post-editing. That means they combine the images. And if you look at it, it's actually a demolition. Okay, maybe I just show you what a demolition is now. Then you may understand what I'm talking about here. So now building demolition, you know, if you watch Batman, there's a demolition building. Okay, in Batman, I put in Batman. Then you can see, you can enjoy this. Have you seen this, Batman? No. Controlled demolition. Can you see all this exploding on inside? Exploding on inside. Can see now. Okay, watch, You saw it collapse? You saw it collapse, right? But actual demolition is not going to be like that. This one they need to do for the movie. So I just showed you normal building demolition, you see.
Mr. Syed,
Yeah?
may I go to the toilet?
Yeah, go.
While building a new high-rise attracts a swimming pool, we earned the nickname the Leaning Tower of South Padre. Although the controlled demolition,
down here,
a company known as Controlled Demolition Incorporated performed.
Can you see now? So how does a building collapse?
Now the table.
Okay, that one I will show you another time lah. Maybe that one I'll show you another time. But that is called controlled demolition. That means the demolition is not gonna go haywire. It's not, let's say you're living in this block, then it hits the other block. No, they have to control it to fall inwards. And that's what happened for 9/11 actually. And the only way that's possible is through using bombs. Anyway, we come back to this. Can you observe the pattern? How fast are you in identifying the pattern? Can you see the pattern? First one come in. Anyone? Congratulations, Mr. Cashwell. First one to come in. Well done. You have won for yourself a free demolition of your own HDB apartment building. Okay, you'll be one to press the button. Congratulations, Silva. Yes, you too win a free demolition of your home. Hey, don't cry. I'm just joking.
What about me?
Okay,
What about
anyone
me?
else? Okay,
Me.
so you have not that thing. Okay, so can you see the pattern or not? Cannot see the pattern. Okay, we ask Kashril and Kashril. Hey, Kashril, what's the pattern, Kashril? How do you know the answer is 16?
Because you see it's like 2, 4, then 4, 8.
Times 2.
Like
2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. Well done, Riaz. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. 16 times 2, 32. 32 times 2, 64. 64 times, so 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. So the answer is 16. So you have identified the pattern. Well done. Well done. Okay.
Wait, no. No, I've been setting the wrong person.
Okay, not well done for you lah then. Don't be so
You
sad
then.
lah. Don't be so sad. Okay, come we try this.
Let's
This is
go.
divide. This is divide and please and go. Come. So you done already what? Well done, well done. Who is that? Raidi Rias, well done. R&R. Whenever I go to Malaysia, I will drive my car to R&R. I didn't know it's Raidi and Rias. Well done.
bias.
Yeah, okay. The next one. You can move on to the next one. For Raidi and Rias, you can move on to 17. What about the rest? Okay, everything is starting with R. Well done, Hilwa. Congratulations. Well done, Caswell. Can move on to 17, please. Please check answer. Ready, correct. Well done. Well done, Riaz. Well done, Caswell. Is RRQ lah. Come on. What about the rest? Well done, Hilwa. Ready, Riaz, Caswell. RRQ. It's like Queen Park Rangers lah. QPR, right? That's RRQ. Well done, Hilwa. Well done. What about the rest? What about the rest? Come on. What about the rest? Come on. Okay, I need to explain for the rest. Okay, here we go.
punya.
Hey, please, these two boys. Oh, this boy. The prince. He wants to be known as the prince. Everyone.
Hello, why you?
Okay, here we go. Well done, Shalina. So
So
over here.
why you ask me to unmute?
No, I asked you to mute. Okay, here we go. Now you do brackets first.
You ask me to what?
Okay, step 1 is brackets. So now in the brackets, you have plus and times. Do the times first. Remember, there are 3 things you're supposed to do. Brackets, times and divide, and then plus and minus. So first down here, you look for bracket. So there's a bracket. Inside the bracket is plus and times. Do the times first. 3 times 2, 6. Now complete the bracket. 6 plus 6, 12. So do like that, 24. We copy everything down. Plus 36 divided by 12. Now you know what to do next. There's no more brackets, but there's times and divide. Do the divide first. 36 divided by 12, get 3. 24 plus 3, the answer is 27. Next one, Now you mean your answer is not correct? You got to check again. I think your answer is, maybe your working is correct, but you copied the answer wrongly. Yeah? Divide, change to times. 3/1. Divide by 3, you get 1. Divide by 3, you get 4. So 11 divided by 4. You must remember what must 11 divided by 4. The number up here, Naomi, goes as a whole number. So down here you get 8. Down here will be 2. Down here is 3. So this answer down here is 2 wholes because this is the quotient. Remainder 3 is here, divided by 4. Okay. I hope you all are okay with this. This is supposed to be basic. Again, you try this then. Chia and go. 2. 2 divided by 5 is cannot be 2. R and R, well done. Kashri, you got to check answer. Hilwa, well done. Don't go in 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. Now it's 2 divided by 5, is it equal to 10? Please check. Hello. Come on, very easy lah. Now, those of you, okay, well done, Shalina. Well done, Kashri. Now, if let's say lah, you forget how to do, I want you to do that. 8 divided by 4. Oh, the answer is 2. Now, how to find this number? 2 times 4. Good. How to find this number? 8 divided by 2. Good. Okay, same thing. So in the first one, 10 divided by 5, 10 times 5, 50. Okay, you don't believe, you can try it out. Huh? I'm told there's no algebra. Who was one who told me? Riaz. Confirm, your teacher said no algebra. Confirm.
Wait, Chow, wait, Chow. Can I, wait, Chow.
No,
Give me 10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds.
No, don't need to do that because
Oh.
you say not coming out. You'll be doing it for your too easy. Okay, I think I did not want to do anymore. Okay, the last paper is 3 CA1 paper now for you all. Ready and yeah.
You have
Lisa.
exactly 20 minutes now left, Chow.
Yes. Once the students start counting, that means the students asking when will this end. Glenn bought a pizza. Well done, Ras. You want to go to school? To this school. Which school is it? ACS. All the best. Well done, ready? R&R has done it again. RRH. What about Q? Q is looking everywhere. Very easy, yeah? Come on. Come on, guys, girls, you can do this. We can't wait so long after R and H and Q will become bored, but Q have not given an answer. How come Q is looking all over notes and all? Come on, Q. Q do anyhow, this guy. Okay, come. Here we go. You have 1 pizza. 1 pizza means 1 whole. He ate 1/4. You minus the quarter. How much are you left with? 1 whole means 4/4, you know. Okay. It can be 5/5, 6, but this one is quarter, so we minus. Get 3/4. This 3/4 pizza is shared with among 2 friends. So just divide. How do we know divide? Shared equally. Remember I told you shared equally is normally it refers to divide. 2 friends. So divide by 2. 2/1. Then becomes what? 3/8 times 1/2. Oh, not 3/8, sorry. 3/4 times 1/2. You will get 3/8. But I want you to be able also to see the sum visually. So that some of you, if you see it visually, you'll say, wow, I understand now. So 3/8 is the answer. Now, I'm going to draw this now. Watch. Those of you who don't understand, imagine now, this is now the pizza. Okay, and then down here now, we divide it into 4 parts. He ate 1 part. So there's no more, this part, no more, no. No more down here now. Oh, hold on. This one no more. I will just draw like that. Okay, it's gone. You are left with 3/4. Now 3/4 now is 3/4 is shared among 2 friends. So when you divide it, you can cut down here. Imagine you take a knife and you cut down here. Right? That means one friend will get this part, this whole part down here. So how big is this part? To find out, we must cut all of them into half. Watch how I cut into half. I cut this into half, cut this into half, cut this into half. Even down here, I cut half, like, let's say. So altogether, there's 8 parts. And each one will get 1, 2, 3 out of 8 parts. The other one will get 1, 2, 3 out of 8 parts. So the answer is 3/8. I hope you can see visually what it means. I have just explained. Although looking at your reaction now, your mind has gone somewhere else. Some of you are looking, but actually you're not looking. Some are like that. When you do that means it's totally out lah. Okay. Can we try now? Question number 10, please. 10. Well done to Riaz. Well done to ID. R and R. Congratulations. Riaz, do you play sepak takraw? Please learn and then you can.
I never sepak takraw is soccer before.
Soccer you don't play.
My
Why?
mother don't allow.
How come your mother don't allow? Why?
Like as a CCA, and I also don't like to play sports.
I see. Okay, no problem, no problem. So yeah, that's the correct answer, whether in pounds or they say dollars, so it has to be in dollars. By the way, Righty, how much is one? I heard you went to Europe before, right? £1 is how many Singapore dollars? Well, don't ask lah, don't ask your cat.
1.84.
Allah, benar, are you sure? We will
Yeah.
check in a moment. So cheap lah. It has gone down that bad. I thought it's $2 plus, but never mind, let's see. Okay, come on, the rest of you, come on, we are waiting for you, come on. You must be able to visualize this, So I'm just gonna help you, okay? You can draw a model if you want to, okay? Some of you do not want to draw the model, it's okay. Some want to become a model. I do not know. Kashmir, you want to become a model? Kashmir says, I do not want to become a model because I am a model. Okay lah, you are a model lah. Naomi, you want to become a model lah? No. Naomi says, I already am a model. Okay, so 1/3 now is used by Sally. All right, she used this, and then Raidi, what are you doing, Raidi? Okay, so 1/3 is used. She's left with 2/3. Now this 2/3 now is the remainder. We not need to divide it into 4 parts. So very easy, we can chop it up into 4 parts lah. So I can cut it like that, 4 parts. Now she used 3 of the 4 parts and she's left with $8. Oh, once I do this, I know what to do. That means this is 8, this is 8, this is 8, this is 8. This one I can cut into 2 again, and this one's 8, and this one is 8. So just 6 times 8, I get 48. That's one way of doing it. 6 times 8 is 48. So the answer Her allowance is $48. If you want to do by the model method, let's say you do not want to do by the model method, then how? There's a fraction method you can do. So how to do fractions method? Her allowance is 1 whole minus 1/3. What do you get? You're left with 2/3, right? Okay, good. So she uses 3/4 of the 2/3. Okay, we don't need to. Okay, 3/4 of means times 2/3. Can you see? You cancel. You cancel. 1 down here. You are left with 2/4. 2/4 divided by 2, get 2. Divided by 2, you get 1. Answer is half. So this is actually half. Half of the whole. Half of the whole what? Of the whole allowance. Okay. Now, if she's left with 1/4 of the remainder, 1/4 is $8. Okay, 1/4 is $8. Just a moment. Where has my pen gone to? Okay, 1/4 of the allowance is $8. If this 3 of them, 3 times 8, 24. So 3/4 of remainder is $24. But remember, 3/4 of remainder is equals to half of the whole thing. So half of her allowance is actually $24. Don't be confused here. This is 3/4 of remainder. This is quarter of remainder. Now, if you find what's 3/4 of remainder is $24, this is according to what we have calculated here, half of allowance. So half of allowance is 24. You want to find the full allowance, 24 times 2. This is another way you can do. Okay, there are other ways lah. There are other ways. Okay, but the main thing is you have to believe in yourself, and you can find your answer for sure. Okay, can we try this? This one is easy lah, super easy lah. But if you cannot do it, I do not know what to say lah. And go. Ridey, you're faster than me. Are you happy? Faster, you're very fast. Well done. Selena, congratulations. Come on, come on, come on. Can do this, can do this. What to do first? Brackets. No brackets, do times and divide. If there's times and divide, what do? Left one first. Do the left times or divide first. Husna, Shafia, well done. Riaz, well done. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Naomi, well done. Okay, everyone has gotten well done. Okay. So what do we do first? Do this one first. 32. Don't plus yet. Don't plus yet. Do next one, this one. You get 4. Now do from left to right. Okay. 72 plus 32 is 104. 104 minus 4 is 100. Well done. Okay. There we go. This one now. If you don't know this one, I need to show you. Try. You need to draw a model for this one. I'll show you on a whiteboard in a moment. No, this type of question, they're going to show the Mat Saleh this type of question. I'm primary 6, they'll be confused. Therefore, you have to do this. I've not done this. Wow. Cannot be lah. Has to be fraction. How come you got mixed number? Okay, maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right.
Wait, so mixed number or
I think most probably it's going to be a normal fraction.
oh,
But it's okay.
I'm in danger.
Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. But let me check. As the total mass of both boys, you know. Total mass of both boys. Okay. No, your answers are not correct. QR. You have to draw. You have to draw and you have to understand. Can do not? We are 5.9. Sorry, it's not 5.9. Okay, we give another 1 minute more. What time end? We end in about 5 minutes time. Okay, can I just check the answer first? I know my answer is correct. My answer is 15/23. So I just want to check through to see whether the answer is 15/20. Number 14. Huh? Number 14. Yeah, 15/23. Can I see? So now I'm going to show you, we're not going to use all this type. I'm going to show you using models. Okay, here we go. Can you see now? Is this the one? Okay. I'll draw on the board. Okay. So Henry is 2/5. Ian is 3/4. All right, here we go. You have to, this type you have to master, okay? Because it will always come out. So Henry is 2/5. Henry, yeah, is 2 parts. He got 2 out of 5. 2. Total is 5 parts. But 2 of his parts is equal to 3. 3 of Ian's part. So Ian is 3/4, right? Now you need to understand this first. 2 parts is equal to 3. Let us look at the question again so that you are not confused. Huh? Can you see? 2 parts is equal to 3 parts. But it doesn't mean the total is 2. Total is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But 2 of the 5 parts is equal to 3 of the 4 parts. Okay, that's all they tell you. 2/5 is equals to 3/4. Now what to do? You got to cut both of them into similar parts. So let's say now I cut this into 3 parts. This one 3 parts, right? From here to here. Some 2 parts. I make it 6 parts. This one I times by 2. Everyone I divide into 2. This one everyone I divide into 3. Notice or not? Down here now, how many parts you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 parts is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see? So total, how many parts you have? Total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ian has 8 parts, 8 units. And Henry, not Hilwa. Henry got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 parts. They asked us to express Henry's weight over the total weight. What's Henry's weight? 15. What's the total weight? 15 plus 8 is equals to 15 over 23. Ken, I'm going to give you my own question now. Okay, you try, yeah? But you must draw this. How to draw? Remember, they say 2/5 of Henry is equals to 3/4 of Ian. So you draw 2 parts equal to 3 parts. Then you add the missing parts. 2/3 also got another 3/5 left. Add the 3 parts. 3/4 got 1 more left. Add 1 more part. And then you cut it all into same size. So I'm going to give you the question now. Oh, we got only 1 minute. Can I give you this question then for homework? Naimi, I didn't know you have a brother. You have a brother, Naimi. Is it? You do? I thought it's all girls. No. You have a boy. Wow. Okay. Do you want me to give it to you now, or you want me to give as homework? Or don't give anything? Don't give anything. All right, then, okay, we can stop here and then we'll meet up again. I do not know whether I want to give you homework or not. Better not, is it? Don't give. Shafia said, aduh. Okay lah. Take care. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.